In this video, I want to show you how to update your Ruby mining app. To update it, just launch your Ruby mining app. When you do, it will bring this notification to update your Ruby now. And the new version has latest and superior feature. To update it, just click on update now. This will take you to Google Play. Then click on update, and in few seconds it will download the latest version of Ruby mining app and install it on your device. Then after installation, you can open it directly from here. This will take you to the latest version of Ruby mining app you just installed. In my case, a new mining session has started, so I'll click to start mining. I'll choose on available mines, and you can see here, so I'll click on agree and new mining session will start. Then if you want to send reminder to your group, just go to your group, click on it, and then send reminder to all those who are not currently mining. But in essence, this is how to update your Ruby mining app.